Hello viewers, welcome to Girls Dairy. Today we are going to prepare an ultimate face pack which will nourish and provide instant glow to your skin. The Rose Face Pack. Let's get started. You can buy rose petals powder from store or grind the dried rose petals into a fine powder. I bought this rose petals powder from Amazon. Rose powder is a perfect ingredient for skincare. In a bowl, take 1 tablespoon rose petals powder. Now add aloe vera gel 1 tablespoon. Add honey and curd, each 1 tablespoon to the mixture and stir until you have a smooth paste. You can adjust the consistency with rose water. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Apply the mask on your face, neck and hands. You can use it as a body scrub as well. Leave the face pack on for about 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water and pat your face dry. This mask is so magical. I can see the pink tint transferred to my skin. Rose petals add a lovely fragrance as well. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to Girls Dairy.